Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 2 from Mineral Resources of Karnataka. In Karnataka, the district with highest production of iron ore. Okay. In Karnataka, the district with highest production of iron ore. Options are option A Bengaluru, option B Vijayapura, option C Chikmagaluru, option D Ballari. Okay. Iron ore is the main raw material for iron and steel industry. Okay, children. So Karnataka has vast reserves of iron ore. It stands next to Odisha. Okay, so Odisha is the first in the production of iron ore. Karnataka has the second highest reserves of iron ore. Okay, children. So iron ore is found mainly in the district like Bellary, Chikmagaluru, Bagalkot, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Shivamogga, Dakshina Kannada, Uttara Kannada, and Gadha. Okay, so among which the highest production of iron ore is found in Ballari. Okay, Ballari has rich iron deposits. Ballari has rich iron deposits. Okay, children. And they are mainly found in Hospet and Sandur. In Ballari, they are mainly found in Hospet and Sandur. Okay. Iron ore extracts at Donimalai, Vibhuti Gudda, Belagula, Kumaraswamy Hills, Timappanagudi, Devadari Range, and Ramadurga Hills. Okay, children. So Ballari is the district with highest production of iron ore. So in Ballari, Hospet and Sandur are the main areas of the iron deposits. Okay. Thank you.